Welcome to Review Lab. The best Ruixin is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen tools for home cooks and professional chefs alike, promising unparalleled precision and durability for all your culinary endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey in the kitchen, the quality and performance of your knives can make a world of difference in how you approach food preparation, and the Ruixin brand has consistently delivered exceptional value and craftsmanship, earning its place as a top contender in the competitive market of kitchenware. Number 5. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve unparalleled precision with our angle-guided sharpening system. Its innovative jig and clamp design makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more accurate than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in single-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile blades or create a perfectly polished edge on all your favorite knives, including serrated ones. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. This allows you to customize the sharpening to your exact needs, all while the V-block clamp ensures the knife is held securely and consistently. This tool is meticulously designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility. We ensure the highest quality by standing behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. We take pride in designing, engineering, and calibrating our sharpening machines under one roof. Our commitment to quality ensures you receive a superior sharpening experience. What we like? This sharpener offers unparalleled precision with its angle-guided system. It allows for easy adjustment from 15 to 30 degrees, ensuring you get the perfect angle for any blade. If you're looking for a tool that makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more accurate, this is the one for you. What people say? The product is well made and durable. It is easy to use and performs its function effectively. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with various decors. Number 4. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Precision Adjust Elite, your all-in-one solution for achieving razor-sharp edges. It's perfect for kitchen knives, hunting blades, and everyday pocket knives, delivering professional results in minutes. With adjustable angles from 15 to 30 degrees, you can easily set the perfect angle for any knife. This guided system eliminates guesswork, ensuring precision every time you sharpen. Don't let serrated blades dull your experience. This tool includes a dedicated ceramic rod specifically designed to restore sharpness to serrated knives, just like new. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need: coarse and fine diamond plates, a ceramic finishing rod, a serrated blade rod, and an attachment for curved blades. It's built with industrial quality materials for lasting performance. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this guided sharpening system is foolproof. Simply clamp, set your angle, and sharpen for perfect results every time. It makes an ideal gift for any knife enthusiast. What we like? This elite kit is perfect for anyone wanting professional quality edges at home. It includes a dedicated rod for serrated blades, restoring them to like-new sharpness. If you are a home cook, hunter, or knife enthusiast who values versatility and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The product is well made and durable. It is easy to use and performs its function effectively. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decors. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Complete Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Introducing the ultimate knife sharpening system designed for beginners. Achieve professional results with ease, thanks to its intuitive design. Never guess your sharpening angle again. Our built-in guides ensure consistent angles, protecting your valuable knives from uneven edges. Experience safer sharpening with our dense, uniform grit stones. The non-slip base provides stability, making it easy to use without mess or damage. Transform dull blades into razor-sharp edges quickly. The dual grit system refines your knives efficiently, offering superior control and performance. Invest in a sharpening solution built to last. It provides consistent performance over time, protecting your knives and saving you money. Whether you have German or Japanese style knives, this system sharpens them all. Get exceptional results on any blade. What we like? This system is designed with beginners in mind, featuring built-in angle guides for consistent sharpening. Its dense, uniform abrasives ensure safer sharpening without damaging your knives. If you're new to knife sharpening and want a forgiving, stable, and easy-to-use system, this Whetstone kit is ideal. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use and works very well. It is very sturdy and well made. The different angle settings allow for precise sharpening. Number 2. Angerstone Oversize Double-Sided Leather Strop Kit. Introducing our professional leather sharpening strop set. It includes everything you need for honing, with compounds and instructions suitable for all skill levels. Experience a mirror-like edge with this dual-sided strop. One side is rough, the other smooth, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. Crafted from specially vegetable-tanned cowhide, this strop is ideal for knife sharpening. It's designed for stability and durability. Achieve a perfect polish with the included chromium oxide and aluminum oxide compounds. They are easy to apply for a superior finish. This versatile strop is perfect for a wide range of knives, chisels, and razors. It makes an excellent gift for any enthusiast. What we like? This classic honing strop kit provides a mirror-like edge with its dual-sided leather strop and included polishing compounds. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. If you're looking to achieve a highly polished finish on your knives, chisels, or razors, this kit offers a professional solution. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It is easy to use and operate. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. CASEKOO Desert Titanium for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Introducing the CASEKOO Desert Titanium case, designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It combines sophisticated style with robust defense for your device. Experience unparalleled versatility with its award-winning 360-degree spin stand. Effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical orientations for comfortable viewing and calls. Adorn your phone with a stunning polished rose gold titanium frame and a crystal clear back. This case offers a luxurious look that complements your iPhone's design. Enjoy a secure connection with stronger magnets, fully compatible with MagSafe. It also supports 25W fast wireless charging, keeping you powered up. Rest assured with 16-foot military-grade protection. Advanced shockproof technology and raised bezels safeguard your phone from accidental drops and scratches. Its ergonomic design features anti-slip patterns for a secure hold. This case not only protects but also enhances your phone's usability and style. What we like? This case offers a unique 360-degree spin stand, perfect for hands-free viewing in any orientation. It also provides robust 16-feet military-grade protection and enhanced MagSafe compatibility. If you prioritize both functionality and durability for your iPhone, especially for media consumption or video calls, this case is a standout option. What people say. The Ruixin sharpener has a unique design that allows for precise angle control, ensuring consistent sharpening results. Its adjustable clamp system securely holds various knife sizes, making it versatile for different kitchen tools. The included set of sharpening stones offers a range of grits, enabling users to achieve both edge repair and a razor-sharp finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.